Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rides Review Hub. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. The KTM 890 Duke has taken the middleweight naked bike segment by storm, delivering an exhilarating blend of performance, agility, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone stepping up from a smaller bike, the 890 Duke offers a thrilling experience that's hard to match. Today, we will break down everything you need to know about this incredible machine, from its engine performance to handling, features, and how it stacks up against the competition. Engine and performance of the KTM 890 Duke lies in 889cc parallel twin engine that churns out an impressive 115 horsepower and 92 Nm of torque. This powerplant is an evolution of the 790 Duke, offering more grunt, better refinement, and improved rideability. Thanks to its lightweight construction and efficient design, the bike delivers a power-to-weight ratio that makes it one of the most aggressive middleweight options on the market. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and an optional quickshifter, the 890 Duke delivers seamless gear transitions and rapid acceleration. KTM's ride-by-wire technology ensures crisp throttle response, making every twist of the wrist an adrenaline-pumping experience. Chassis and handling. One of the biggest strengths of the 890 Duke is its chassis. Built around a chromoly steel trellis frame, this bike is designed for maximum agility and responsiveness. Weighing in at just 169 kilograms dry weight, it is one of the lightest in its class, giving it an unmatched power-to-weight ratio. The WP Apex suspension provides a balanced setup that's both comfortable for everyday rides and aggressive enough for spirited canyon runs or track days. The 43mm WP Apex front forks offer excellent feedback, while the rear shock absorber ensures smooth handling over different terrains. Whether you're carving corners or slicing through city traffic, the 890 Duke delivers confidence-inspiring control. Electronics rider aids. KTM has packed the 890 Duke with a suite of advanced electronics to enhance both safety and performance. The cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control ensure optimal grip in various riding conditions, making it a perfect companion for both experienced and newer riders. Other notable features include multiple riding modes: rain, street, and sport supermoto mode, which allows rear wheel slides for aggressive riding. TFT display with intuitive controls, Bluetooth connectivity for calls, navigation, and music. These features elevate the riding experience, providing a perfect balance of tech and performance. Braking and tires. Stopping power is crucial for any performance bike, and KTM has equipped the 890 Duke with top-notch J1 brakes. The front features dual 300mm discs with radially mounted 4-piston calipers, while the rear has a single 240mm disc for reliable stopping power. The bike comes with Continental Conti road tires, offering superb grip on both wet and dry roads. For those looking to push the limits, upgrading to stickier rubber can make an already agile bike even sharper on the twisties or the track. Comfort and ergonomics. While the 890 Duke is a hardcore Streetfighter, KTM has managed to keep it relatively comfortable. The ergonomic seat design and slightly forward-leaning position give it a sporty feel without being overly aggressive. The seat height of 820mm makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, and the narrow profile allows for easy maneuvering in traffic. That said, long-distance touring might not be its strongest suit, as the minimalist design prioritizes agility over wind protection. If you're planning extended rides, consider aftermarket windshields and comfort seats. The middleweight naked bike segment is highly competitive, with strong contenders like the Yamaha MT-09, Triumph Street 765, and Ducati Monster 937. So how does the KTM 890 Duke compare? More aggressive than the Yamaha MT-09, with sharper handling but slightly less horsepower. Lighter and more agile than the Triumph Street 765, making it an excellent choice for riders who prioritize nimbleness. More affordable and less maintenance-heavy than the Ducati Monster, while still offering top-tier performance. Ultimately, the KTM 890 Duke strikes a balance between raw aggression and usability, making it a top pick for riders who crave excitement without sacrificing daily rideability. The KTM 890 Duke is an absolute beast in the middleweight naked bike category. With its powerful engine, razor-sharp handling, and high-tech electronics, it delivers a riding experience that's hard to beat. Whether you're looking for a thrilling commuter, a weekend canyon carver, or a capable track machine, this bike ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more epic motorcycle content. Thank you.